Hi guys, the next question I've been getting often is regarding how do I record my software demos. There are tons of different kinds of recording software that you can do. There are Screencastify, there's the one that I use actually because I'm on a Mac, so this will not work on a PC. So I just want to be upfront for you. So you can go ahead and tune out if you're on a PC. But if you're a Mac person, which I am at home, always a Mac, the software that I use, because it's Adobe Creative Cloud, basically if you're on a Mac or PC, it's going to look the same. So except for the keyboard shortcuts, those are a little bit different. So I'm going to go over what I use. It's the Screen Recorder, and it cost me about $6.99 at the time when I purchased it. Super easy to use for screen recording, and I didn't have to sign up for like subscription fees, and I don't get those little weird watermarks at the end of the video because you don't want to pay. You're on a budget, so you're like, I really don't want to pay. So I really didn't want any kind of logo or something showing up from that company because I find it a little bit distracting. So anyways, I'm going to switch over to the screen recording software so you can see how it works. And I'm going to use QuickTime because QuickTime, which is on the Mac only, you can do screen recordings. And since I'm going to be using the software, I need you to be able to see some of it. So I'm going to go over it. Really simple to use. Okay. Alright guys, I'm on the desktop of my computer and I've launched Screen Recorder. So it's about $6.99, and after it launches, you'll see the screen right here. You have the option to full size screen, custom size, or single window. I generally use the full screen because I'm recording software. Okay, I use the default settings for the 30 frames per second. When I click on audio, I tend to use the default settings right here. You can select whether you want your built-in microphone or if you have an external microphone, and you would just click on that. There's also the option to record second audio. Under camera settings, I use the default settings there as well. The nice thing is the mouse. I can go ahead and check mark these and I can capture like actual clicks, and it looks almost like there's waves coming out of the cursor as I'm clicking. You can decide what colors you want those clicks to look like. I think that's really helpful. Yeah, those are the color options down here. The next thing is I could add a logo if I so choose. So there's an option at the bottom. If I check mark add image logo, then I can actually choose and click on the choose button and find a logo, and then I can watermark it if I wanted to. I really don't use that option because it's something that I don't really feel like I need to use it. There's a timer feature, which I never use. There is a basic editing. The main thing I'm concerned about is the export video file format is set to an MP4. I'll be honest, I've never used the edit function. I always use Adobe Premiere to do my video editing. So if I want to start recording, I'm going to hit the red button. So when I actually click the red button, I have it set for full screen. It's going to prepare to record. It gives you a countdown from 5. And now it's automatically recording my screen. I could launch Photoshop and I could go ahead and jump in there and start giving my video tutorial. If I want to actually pause, I go to that red button at the top, or I can stop recording. When I hit stop recording, the nice thing is it will automatically open up the folder where that file is exported to. Okay, so that shows you pretty much everything you need to know to use Screen Recorder. It's a pretty easy program, $6.99. It's a pretty good deal. All right, thanks for watching.